Hello, my little kids. How are you all? I know you all are enjoying in the house and revising all the work which we have done till now. Today we are going to learn something new. New letter. And the sound of the letter I am showing you. The new letter is, which letter is this? D. And the sound of D is, D, 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 as you are beating a drum. So everybody say with Jayashree ma'am, D, D, D. The sound of D letter is D, D. Now let's see some words with this sound. D, D, dog. D, D, dog. D, D, donkey. D, D, donkey. D, D, doll. Doll. Girls, they play with this, isn't it? Yes, this is a doll. D, D, doll. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. Duck. Duck lives in pond. Very good. Then D, D, deer. D, D, deer. This is a deer. D, D, den. Who lives in den? Lion lives in den. D, D, den. D, D, dustbin. D, D, dustbin. D, D, dahlia. D, D, which flower is this? Dahlia. D, D, daisy. D, D, daisy. And the baby duck is called? Duckling. Baby duck is called duckling. Baby duck is called duckling. And what is this? This is a dinosaurus. Dinosaur. This is a dinosaur. D, dinosaur. और ये क्या है? What this girl is wearing? She is wearing a dress. She is wearing a dress. D, dress. Tell me what ma'am is doing. I'm drinking water. What I'm doing? I'm drinking. D, drinking. Drink. Then D, dance. Isn't it? Then D, dinner. D, what else? It is dish. D, dish. D, dolphin. This is a dolphin. Then what is this? D, drum. D, drum. So today we have learned the letter D, and the sound of D is D, D. And we have learned so many words, new words with this sound, isn't it? Like D, dog, D, donkey, D, doll. Revise with Jayashree ma'am. D, duck, D, deer, D, den, D, dustbin, dustbin, D, dahlia, D, daisy, D, baby duck is called duckling, D, dinosaur, D, I have drank the water, D, dish, D, drum, D, dress, and D, dolphin. So you all wants to see how to write this letter D? Come, Jayashree ma'am will show you. Apart from that, Jayashree ma'am will do one craft activity with you all. Ready for that? Come, come, come. Now everybody bring your English copy. Open the copy. And as you all know that in English copy we have 4 lines. Red, blue, blue, red. So let's start writing letter D. Pay attention and see how ma'am is writing. Okay. This is letter D. Letter D. So in this way, you all have to write letter D in one page, and in next page, you have to draw any picture related with letter D and send it to Shri ma'am. Color it, okay? Don't forget to color that picture. Color the picture, then ask your mummy to click a picture and send it to Jayashree ma'am. Now, it's a craft time. Now see what ma'am is doing, okay? I have 2 rectangle paper, okay, shape and 1 circle shape, and this is also rectangle. I will show you one marker, 1 red pen. If you have a red sketch pen, very good. If you have a crayon, that is also excellent. And Fevicol or Feviquick, scissor, but you are not going to use the scissor. You will ask your mummy, papa, or your sister or brother to use this one. So see what ma'am is doing, okay? अब पहले देखो मैम कैसे बना रही है. Okay, you have to fold it in this way. Okay, you must be thinking, Jayashree ma'am, आप क्या जापानीज फैन बना रही हो? No बेटा, not Japanese fan. बताओ ये क्या बन रहा है? Can you tell me? Come on, speak up. Can you tell me what ma'am is making? नहीं मैम, समझ में नहीं आया आप क्या बना रही हो. अभी समझाती हूँ. Okay, now for this, if you have a stapler, very good. You will staple it in this way. Okay, how you will? So you will staple it in this way. After stapling, इसको खोल देना है. ठीक है? Why, ma'am? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ma'am will tell you. ठीक है? But you will not use this scissor. ठीक है? आप क्या करोगे? You will tell your mummy or papa to use it for you. Okay? आप किसको बोलोगे? मम्मा पापा को बोलोगे आपके लिए सीजर का जितना सारा कटिंग है ना, they will help you to do that work. You don't do it by yourself, you know. Scissor is a very sharp object. You will get hurt. ठीक है? फिर आपको दर्द हो जाएगा. ओ मैम, मुझे तो एक्टिविटी क्राफ्ट क्लास में लग गए. अरे क्राफ्ट तो लगेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज यू नो. फिर इसको ऐसे स्टेपल करोगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो इन दिस साइड ऑल्सो यू विल डू इट इन दिस वे. ठीक है? इन बोथ द साइड. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? बताएंगे. वेट अ मिनट. नाउ इस सर्कल में हम क्या बनाएंगे? टेल मी. आईब्रोज, आईज. ठीक है? If you have a crayon, then it is very good. with this rectangle, you are going to fold in this way. Okay, this way and this way. Now you need a glue. ठीक है? What you need? You need glue to stick this one. So in this way you have done. ठीक है? अब हम इसको यहाँ पे स्टिक करेंगे. So KG, have a look what ma'am has made. Oh, ये तो doll है. Doll. You want to make like this? You will ask your mama to help you. Then after that, you will click a picture and you will send it to me. So today we have made doll. Now, there is one activity for you. Are you all ready to do that activity? Come. So KG, ये क्या था? Letter D. And the sound of D is D. ये क्या है? Dish. Now see, so many dishes are there. Can you see? So many dishes. Let's count the dishes. Ready? Ready with Jayashree ma'am? Are some numbers are also there. Have a look. चलो count करते हैं. This is 71. Then after 71, ये dish के नीचे क्या है? 72. Good. इस dish के नीचे 73. Then it is 74. Then 75. हर एक डिश के नीचे कुछ ना कुछ नंबर्स है ना कुछ नंबर. यस मैम. इस डिश के नीचे क्या है? 76. इस डिश के नीचे 77. Then it is 78. Then it is 79. Then 80, 80. अरे आप सबको तो आ गया. हाँ मैम, ये तो आज हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. We have learned this 71 to 80 before. Today we are revising it. Isn't it? Good. So let's revise it again. क्या था? D. That the sound of D is D. This is dish. This is dish. So revise the numbers. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. Very good, KG. So, my little kids, today we have learned the letter D and the sound of D is D. With that, so many new words we have learned. Apart from that, we have seen how to write letter D. आप सब ने देखा है ना? Then we have done the craft activity also. That is D the doll. D the doll. Isn't it? हम doll बनाए थे. With that, after that, we have revised the numbers from 71 to 80. आज हमने बहुत कुछ किया है. Okay, so you all are going to write in your copy the letter D. We are going to revise this 71 to 80. Okay? And send all your works picture to Jayashree ma'am. Till then, bye everybody.